Hello. In this tutorial, we'll talk how we can jump fastly from our typical scene in 3D. It can be 3ds, it can be any software you wish, and how we can do from our beautiful scene to amazing renders in a few seconds. So for this, we will use VizMaker, obviously, and I'll be glad to explain a little bit more how we can achieve such amazing results in a few seconds. As you see, we done only one generation with the correct prompting in the VizMaker. And as you see, results from the screenshot of any 3D program to amazing interior is very good. We had the poor quality image, poor quality screen, and look how good is this after one generation. One single generation gives you amazing results with a high possibility to work with this image in the next steps. So yeah, in this tutorial, I'll be glad to show you how we can do this from typical screenshot of flat colors. This option as well as a typical clay option from different softwares. As you see, results are also very good. Of course, we will explain how can you combine some mood board with this image, with a clay image, and receive correct result. We'll also discuss how you can create those mood boards and connect to your reference screenshot from your 3D software. So obviously you will receive any information you wish and all information you need as interior designer. And here, for example, as well, we are creating mood board from this bathroom, and now we want to use this mood board to our interior, and it's simply creating us such a good idea. And as well, you see typical 3ds Max clay creates this single image in single generation. We are receiving amazing render ready to show your clients. So yeah, let's jump in. And this scene was created by Zofia Ignatiak, by our Viz Academy students. So yeah, this scene is fully 3D, of course, and I'll be glad to show you how we can do this. So yeah, let's start from the beginning. As you see in a VizMaker, in a 3ds Max, I have VizMaker app. So simply I'm selecting here some of my cam. It will be my camera 1. Here, of course, obviously I'm selecting default shading. I'm selecting here standard mode. And in a default shading, I have a viewport preferences. So in a viewport preferences here, I have some menu. I am simply selecting here filter, show by category. I want to hide all the cams, so I'm hiding the cams. I'm hiding the helpers, lights, and shapes. So I have a full beautiful screenshot with the, as you see, textures, models as well. And now all I need just to send it to our 3D program. Here I can also change it to flat color as it was shown you on our example. And yeah, that's all what I need. Also, VizMaker gives you a plugin. So just one button, simply I'm clicking left mouse of the click, send viewport to VizMaker. And that's all. Now let's open the VizMaker. And we have already have our beautiful scene. And it's ready to work. So what we will start from, I'll use it here on the left side. You'll receive this project under the video. So on the left side, I'll create step by step our node tree. So you'll have example prepared by our team, by Adriana. And on the left side, it will be exactly the same what I was doing during this webinar. So you will have 2 examples and you will see the results. So first of all, and the simplest option, you're selecting our source image. You're selecting image editor, you're selecting NanoBanana Pro, as for now it's one of the best engines, and you have here in a prompt preset, you have view to render. One simple button, view to render, hit make, and wait a second until you get results. As you see, you have solution 2K, resolution 2K, aspect ratio original, so the frames will be the same, but you could simply cut them before copy pasting the image. You can also upload the image in a simple way as load, right mouse of the click load, and upload any screen from any software you use. Really any software you use, you can do exactly the same, so no worries. So yeah, let's wait a second. It will be the simplest option. The second option will be second hour preset. It's a simple prompt here. You can select add realism. So you're selecting with left mouse click of our source, add realism, and hitting simply make. And let's wait a second. As you see, results of our first render are quite amazing. And now we can compare them. Right click, compare A, right click, compare B. And now hit here enlarge button. As you see, results are amazing. Very good result. Exactly the same position, exactly the same edges, and yeah, the result is really good. So this is the simplest way how you can create a fast renders inside any 3D program with VizMaker, so no worries. Now I'm simply hitting enlarge. Let's check our second option. So we asked NanoBanana to give us more realism to our image as well. Very good. Compare A, compare B, and just check how good and how fast it is. So yeah, definitely recommend you. So let's jump to our next step. As our next step, we see that we have here a clay mode. Simply jumping back to 3ds Max. You can jump to any software you're working with. It's just an example. And I'll change here the preview mode to, I'll change a preview mode. So I'll change flat color to default shading. And I'll simply select here, and I'm selecting here performance and here default shading. And that's all. Now I have this beautiful screenshot and all I need just to hit VizMaker or make a print screen, or I can make a typical print screen, as you know, or I can use I can send viewport to VizMaker. That's very simple. So I'll using the second option and it's ready to use. It's inside VizMaker now. So I'm simply doing the same for this type of screenshots. As you see, we will do exactly the same. We can simply now ask AI to give us more difficult results. We can give him more difficult prompts. So I'll simply copy paste this prompt and I'll discuss it with you. So I have this typical screenshot for any 3D program, and let's discuss what do we have here. Use a white clay image as a strict reference. Keep exact camera proportions, furniture placement. Do not change the design, only convert it in photorealistic interior render. And here I'm giving him information. Please remember that this file is attached to your to this video, so simply download it and feel free to take all those prompts and use them as many as you need. So you have here information about floor, warm oak, you have information about rug, sofa, armchair, coffee table, side tables, curtains, walls, lighting and mood, and that's all. So everything's very simple. Feel free just to steal my prompt and simply hitting make. I'm here in image editor, NanoBanana Pro, 2K resolution original. And let's wait a second to see the results. And as a second option, you can select here more simple prompt connected to our source file as a mood board. Some, material connection. I'll save it to my files to show you exactly what I want to show you. So you can see exactly the process. And a process is quite interesting, really quite interesting. It's transferring your idea from one image to another image. That's the main idea and the main technology you will use with AI. So I'll save it here somewhere. So what we'll do exactly now, we'll connect this image with mood board. So right click of the mouse, load. I'm selecting my mood board. Now I'm selecting my source image with the left mouse of click, NanoBanana Pro 2K original. Now I'm here selecting this creation node and simply connecting it from our mood board. You can use any mood board of materials you wish. And let's check my prompt. Create photorealistic image, use second image as a material and copy and color palette reference and apply these materials to the interior, matching colors, brightness, contrast and reflection. So it's quite basic prompt, but let's check the result and I hope it will be quite good. Before that, let's check our detailed explanation, how it's going here. Very good. As you see, results are very good and understanding AI of the context is very high. So generally, strongly recommend you to try it, strongly recommend you to use it. You can download this file in VizMaker for free, so just try it and just test it, strongly recommend you. And let's check our next test. So we will need this image. Simply, you can also save any files from VizMaker, very easy. As you see, I'm simply selecting them, clicking right click, save selected media, and I'm simply selecting them. So everything's quite simple. So I'm just hitting save. And now I'll need those images here. So right click, load, and I'll like to show you how to create simple mood board of materials from simple image. We'll select two of those images and we'll also use our ready-made mood boards. I'll discuss, of course, those mood boards with you. So create high-end interior design material mood board using material preset in the 3D scene. Arrange the samples in artistic layered composition similar to luxury architectural boards with realistic texture, shadows, and soft studio lighting. Includes stone, wood, fabric, Okay, and they appear in the scene, presented as a physical material at the same list. As a refined natural background, elegant styling, the balanced layout, and achieve a premium futuristic mood aesthetic. Yeah, words like premium and other are quite popular. So yeah, selecting the source using this prompt. Now you're selecting image editor, NanoBanana Pro, resolution 2K original, and simply hitting make. The same prompt will be here, so I'm just clicking make, of course, image editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K original, left mouse of the click or enter on your keyboard, and simply waiting for the results. And let's check now how it's going here. So yeah, let's check. Yeah, it looks very good. I'm really happy with the results. As you see, the materials used inside are very good. Yeah, it's exactly the same materials we gave. We received exactly the correct scene. Only one difference is frame change, but no worries, you can check our next tutorials. It will be explained like it's a typical problem and it's a typical solution, because we'll also use this frame for Reels and Instagram creation tutorials and videos, so you can also use exactly the same. But yeah, just check how good now we transferred our mood board to our current render. So everything looks perfectly, everything's matched correctly. You can easily also discuss it in the next steps that you want to swap some materials or switch some materials to another. So no worries. And yeah, that's the easiest way how you can create amazing interior render from your screenshot from any software you wish. And now let's jump to our mood boards. As you see, it's completely understanding the image and gives you exactly cool information about main materials, textures, and how you can now use them. So what we'll do next, we will use our clay image. You can name it in different names, versions. Okay, print screen from any software, and we'll use this prompt. It's simple prompt that we want to connect our mood board with our interior. So simply I'm selecting my mood board, simply selecting my print screen from any 3D software, image editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K original. I'm selecting by left click of the mouse this node, and I'm connecting my second mood board node here. Simply prompting, create photorealistic image, use second image as a material and color palette, apply materials, match colors, brightness, contrast, and reflection, and simply clicking make. That's quite simple, as you see, and you're receiving very good fast results. So now I'm selecting the same image, left mouse of the click. Now I'm connecting second mood board and hitting make. As you see, we are working on the multiple levels. So generally we're doing the same in a few seconds. So you don't need to wait, you don't need a strong PC. It's working fully remotely in the cloud. And now let's make our last test. As you see, you can also use typical 3ds clay or any print screen you wish. And you can also use add realism. For example, you can use a bigger prompts or you can use smaller prompts. We can try to use smaller prompt, for example, view to render, hitting make, add realism, hitting make. And I can also use my bigger prompt to show you that results are quite consistent and you simply replicate them. Feel free to download this file. It's completely free, the same as VizMaker, so you can use it and try it. And yeah, let's wait a second for the results. As you see, the transfer of materials is very good. I'll compare it to you and you'll see how good and how smart it is now. So generally we have created a mood board of different materials and now we received a quite cool interior. As you remember and as you know, the details are exactly the same. The floor is in the correct place, chair, everything is exactly in the same place, but we received quite cool style in a few seconds and now we have quite interesting results. The same here. We also received exactly what we prompted. So yeah, it's exactly perfect results and we received them in a second. So generally download VizMaker and try it. It will be quite useful for you. As you see, style transfer is very easy and very comfortable. And now you know a little bit more how to create cool renders and how to start with VizMaker from simple screenshot of your program. Any program, SketchUp, really any, SketchUp, Revit, 3ds, AutoCAD, Revit, generally anything you can use and start with VizMaker. So yeah, hope to see you soon in next tutorial. Please download the file under this tutorial and try it for free. Thank you and goodbye.